warning shot. About to do the 30-second warning shot. Over. Control to all sentries, that was the 30-second warning shot. Over. Control to all sentries, we're about to do the countdown. We're about to do the countdown. Starting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire! Control to all sentries, continue to maintain the safety exclusion zone while the explosive engineer carries out his safety checks. Over. Control to all sentries, continue to maintain the safety exclusion zone while the explosive engineer carries out his safety checks. Over.